Welcome back to Crypto Coin News. Today we are going to be talking about the big mama, the gold standard of cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, and how far this currency could actually plummet in the next 3 weeks and what that will do to the overall market cap of the complete market. But before we get into this video today, guys, do not forget to subscribe and turn on post notifications if you're new around here, because we do 3 to 5 cryptocurrency news videos every single day on this channel, and we try to stream every single night doing cryptocurrency market updates and trying to find some sleeper coins that you could potentially invest in. But before we get into this video, guys, let's start a conversation down below in the comments as well. What do you think about this market crash? Where do you think Bitcoin will stop plummeting? And what point do you think we'll see the market cap stop going down and start to trend upwards? Let me know your thoughts on the current market conditions down below in the comment section. But okay, let's get into the video. As you guys can see, we have broke the $500 billion resistance mark for market cap. We are now at 483 billion. So where can this market cap go? Where is the next line of resistance? Well, let's look over the last, let's do 3 months, okay? So we are closing in on the December 22nd line of resistance here at $422 billion. If we go under $422 billion, guys, we won't probably be able to be stopped until about $374 billion. Now, if we decide that the market's going to continue to crash for 3 weeks, I think we're going to break below this, and we could see it as low as $290 billion, which it was November 30th of 2017. Now, what this would probably cause, though, is a huge buying frenzy if it did get this low, because a lot of coins would be extremely cheap, and we'd probably see the market rise fairly soon after that. So 374 billion, I think, is pretty modest. We could definitely be there, but I think it's going to be more likely between this 290 to 374 billion mark. So somewhere in there. So I don't think we're done dropping yet. And as you can see, Bitcoin's price is being heavily affected. $10,624. We haven't seen it at $10,000 since early December, I would like to say. Let's actually look at it in the last month, okay? So 30 days ago, Bitcoin was at its all-time high, guys. Its all-time high on December 17th. So 29 days ago, this coin was trading for $19,982, guys. Almost double. Really close to double of what it's trading for now, and since then we've seen about a 50% drop in its price point. And its market cap has fallen under 200 billion. Not too long ago, when you look right here, its market cap was $334 billion. So it has halved itself since then. And only a few days ago, this was about a $250 billion market cap. So why is Bitcoin continuing to drop? Well, Bitcoin is the gold standard of the marketplace. A lot of people look to Bitcoin as the standard value of cryptocurrency. If people are doing day trading or they're trading in altcoins, anytime they pull out, they usually put their money into Bitcoin or a US dollar tether if they plan on having it sit for a while. But otherwise, Bitcoin has always been the standard. It's been pretty reliable, and it's slowly been increasing over time. But right now, we're seeing huge corrections in Bitcoin, and we've seen this a few other times in its history. But if you look at its all-time history, it's all apparent tiny little blips compared to its overall gains. So anytime it goes down, it tends to definitely go up again. Let's give it a refresh. 10,500. So we're still continuing down. But as you can see, it looks like back in 2013, we saw $900. Then it dropped down to about $600. And we've seen these little blips ever so often. And after it hit $900, it stayed at $300 for years. And then we finally saw this coin get some action in 2017. If you would have bought in January 2017, guys, into Bitcoin, okay, if you would have gotten into Bitcoin early January, let's say like this time last year, it would have only been $700 or $796, guys. And it only had a $12 billion market cap. So this currency has grown a lot in the last year, and it has been that gold standard. But how much further could it drop? Well, let's pull up a 3-month chart. Okay, where was its last line of resistance? We've broken all of these down here. So the next line it's heading to is $9,300. Could we see it hit that? Yes, I definitely think so, especially if the market trends towards the $300 billion market cap. We are going to see this $9,300 coin definitely happen. I think we definitely might even see down here, guys, November 12th, $5,500. It might not get that low, But between 5,500 and this 9,300 price point, it will be somewhere in the 7 to 8,000 point. I think we will see Bitcoin drop to, which for me, it's a buying opportunity. I love holding Bitcoin. I hold like 3 of them, and I'm earning more every single day from Hashflare. So I believe in Bitcoin. I believe it'll be a $30,000, $40,000 currency before the end of the year. It will continue to be the gold standard. It'll be what all cryptocurrency is judged upon, even though its tech is now feels pretty old and obsolete. Its transaction times are too long, and its fees are expensive. I still think it's going to be one of the most valued cryptos of all time for forever. So where is its resistance? So yeah, this next point we're heading towards, which we might even see today, is about 93, 9,400. Okay, if it continues to drop how it has, let's show you where we started the day off. Okay, the 16th was started right around here, guys, at the $14,000 mark. So we dropped significantly today, and we can continue to see a lot of peel back on Bitcoin, and it's going to be affected as the market's affected. So as like today, like I said, 14,000, that was when the market was at a $600 billion total market cap. Well, now it's down to 10,000. The market's at 478 billion. So the more the market goes down, you guys can just watch this, the more Bitcoin's going to go down. So 475 billion, and we're down a little bit to 10,500. Okay, so let's look at the last week of Bitcoin. It has been up and down, but mostly just working its way down. And if you look at the chart right here, it's not done going down. So if you look at the earliest time today, $14,144 24 hours ago. So we are down almost $4,000. Like I said, I definitely see us hitting that next point of resistance. Let's go to the 3-month chart here, which is right here at 9,300. If we get here, I'm going to be a little scared. If we get to the $5,500 point, I think a lot of people are going to be scared. If this happens in the next 3 weeks, hopefully we see a big buy up from the Asian marketplace when they come back from their Lunar New Year. But then after that point of resistance, where is the next point if it was to cross the $5,000 threshold? Okay, so that is this point of resistance. Well, the next solid one I'd say is all the way down here. This was in September of 2017, and it was priced at $2,900. Now, that would be an extremely scary time for the market, as I would assume we'd be at about a $300 to $250 billion market cap, probably 250. And that would be scary for a lot of new investors, but I believe in these next 3 weeks, we will see Bitcoin rise again in price, coming probably towards about 2.5 weeks from today. I'm thinking it's going to be more about first week of February, second week of February. Hopefully the market can recoup and start heading towards the $700, $800 billion market cap, and we can see Bitcoin rise again to $18,000, $19,000. That's what I'm holding out hope for. But guys, if you don't follow us on Twitter yet, definitely give us a follow. CryptoCoin News with a Z at the end, guys, with a Z. You can click the link to our Twitter down below at the bottom of our description. Give us a follow. We talk about a lot of things, like we talked about BitConnect today on Twitter. We talked about how the market always does this. Look at this, guys. If you didn't see my video on it, every single year in January, we get big spikes and then massive drop-offs, but then by mid-February, we recover. So just keep that in mind. I showed the Sea of Red today. I showed some coins I'm confident about. And I even showed proof that Hashflare allows me to withdraw funds. So definitely give us a follow here. I reply to a lot of you guys, and I address a lot of general concerns here on our Twitter. And if you guys don't know, we do actually have a Discord. It's going to be a swing trading Discord where you guys can follow our Discord. The link to our Discord is down below in the description. We're going to do swing trades every week to 2 weeks. Basically, a swing trade is where we're going to buy in on a cheap coin, hope to see the price pump a bit, and then pull out within a day or two. That's the plan. So it's a risky investment Discord. It's if you have a little money you want to gamble with. Plus, we have a crypto text chat in there and a voice chat, so you can chat with all the members of the community. It's a great place to, meet some crypto investors and make some connections. But let's see how Bitcoin's still doing. So still sitting at $10,542.10. I'm hoping that we can actually see this market recover. Like I said in an earlier video today, guys, it will probably be 3 weeks before we see money infused back into the marketplace. So I'm expecting this to get a lot bloodier over the next 3 weeks. Now, where's the next point of resistance? Let's find it. Let's go to a year, okay? So right now we're here. We're past this point of resistance. So we could see this drop, like I said, to 404 billion, which I think we might see that today, and we're going to see Bitcoin drop to 9,000 something dollars. Okay, and then the next point of resistance for the market is 300 billion, and then I'd say the next point is right here around 113 billion, and I am hoping we do not see that. So I hope the 300 billion support line would be enough support for us to kind of stick in it. I guess this right here at 200 billion, I could consider this support. So 194, that would still be a very scary time to be in the marketplace, but a good buying opportunity. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below about this situation with Bitcoin, with the current market cap conditions. Okay, now we're at $10,400. So just in this video, we're seeing a drop hundreds and hundreds of dollars in value. The market's actually gone up a little bit, but Bitcoin is still dropping, and it looks like it's just doing a nosedive today. If you guys look at the top 100, there's only one coin up today, and that's US dollar Tether. Otherwise, the next highest gaining coin today is down 15%, guys. The biggest losing coin today is BitConnect, losing. Oh my God, I just did the BitConnect video, guys. It is down 82%, down to $43. Holy, that's why you want to subscribe and have those notifications on. We talked about this at $150. Definitely follow us on Twitter so you don't miss updates like this. But thank you guys so much for watching. Until the next video, happy trading and goodbye.